So the next traffic light, can we follow the road ahead or not?
No.
Why not?
Because what they called?
So what is this junction called?
T junction.
Well done. But this T junction controlled by the?
Traffic light.
Good. So when our signal goes green, the traffic on the Roman road, what happened to their signal?
Red.
Good. Good. Well done.
I need to stop here.
Not in keep going. No.
Was that too soon to turn?
No, it's okay. The reason why I make you park up over here because I need to talk to you about that right turning at the traffic light we did. Now, before we turn right, I did ask you some Q&As and you gave me the correct answers. That's why I didn't ask you more questions. I'll let you do that. So when I ask you what type of roundabout junction it is, you said T junction. Then you said it's controlled by the traffic light. Then I ask you about, okay, so whenever light goes green, what happened to their light? Will be red. But despite that, when you approach in the middle, you says I need to stop and check.
I meant, you know, the drain. Because when you come into the
But
drain,
why do you need to stop?
I don't know. I just seen the drain and I thought maybe I have to stop to turn.
No, because if you would have done sudden stopping there,
Yeah.
what is the risk?
People from behind might.
Would they expect you to stop?
No.
And what could have happened if you would have 100%? Nobody would expect you to do. The only time you can stop if the road you're turning into, traffic is not moving over there.
Okay.
Then yes, you have to genuinely stop over there. So because it was controlled by traffic light, yes, you don't need to stop.
Okay.
Now if it's not controlled by the traffic light, it's just normal T junction,
then you do need to stop.
Then obviously if it's a closed view, then you have to stop and do your LADA, look, assess, decide and act.